How long have y'all been in the industry?
30 years.
35 years.
All right, so enough time to know a few things. What's one piece of advice that you would give to someone in the manufacturing industry?
You got to know about Phoeves, the best kept secret in the industry. We have a portfolio that no other machine tool builder has.
And what can you elaborate on that portfolio?
Yeah, grinding, milling, turning, abrasives, cutting tools, composites,
So we touch all the aspects in all the markets.
3D printing.
What's a piece of advice that you would give to the manufacturing industry?
I mean, we're a U.S. manufacturer and U.S. company, and with everything going on in the world, we really seriously need to start looking at U.S. manufacturers to start supplying our shops.
Give me your take on 2023 manufacturing.
Unreal. Our backlog is tremendous. We hit our goals in April for sales. So 23, we're seeing a lot of companies buying domestic, which is great.
Really helping an awful lot. And we actually call in a lot of aerospace and defense contractors. So, we've been really extremely busy. We were having a great 2023, and we just see a lot more work. We make a lot of really big machines, so we don't do a lot of small components. So
we feel like 24 is going to be a great year as well.
same thing. We feel that 24 is going to start strong. Again, there's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now. And we see a lot of work coming from like the military, defense contractors, and I tell you, there's a lot going on with outer space too.
Awesome. Well, thank you both so much. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Amazing.